Hi, Bam Potatoes. Welcome to day 14. This is going to be Jolly Old St. Nicholas. You are having your first driving lesson. When you are playing the first measure, you want to have your eyes on the second measure already. The first measure is the same 4 notes, so you can look one measure ahead already. That's pretty easy. When you're driving a car, you want to look one car ahead, a few cars ahead, so you don't get into an accident. Keep your eyes one measure ahead of when you're playing, and you will get better at playing quicker. The second thing is look at the map before you take off and go on your merry way to wherever you're going. The same thing when you're playing music. You want to look at where are the difficult spots, what's going to get you in trouble. When you're in a car with other people, you could end up getting into fights over taking the right exit. Well, practicing with music, nobody gets into fights. You're practicing this on your own. This is why music is awesome. You're learning to drive when you play music. Measure 7 and measure 15 are probably going to give you the most trouble. So practice measure 7 about 3 times in a row first, and measure 15 3 times in a row. Good times, not it doesn't sound great. And then maybe measure 6. If you look at measure 14, if you already practice measure 6, why practice measure 14? It's the same thing. So be efficient with your time. You know, if you already practice something, use the time to practice the stuff that's difficult. That way when you're playing through, everything's a smooth ride. No fights, no issues, no drama, and put the drama into the music, okay? This is Jolly Old St. Nicholas, day 14.
So before we begin, we're going to take a look at measures 6, 7, and 15, just to make sure we've checked our map before we start our first driving lesson. Now measure 7. And now measure 15. And now with the release, now you want to make the lower note a little bit louder in this case, not too much louder, but just a little bit so we can hear it over the higher pitched note. So here we go, Jolly Old St. Nicholas, melody, then harmony. Here we go. And now the harmony part.